Hello, I'm Nils from the Captury, and today I'd like to show you a snippet from a webinar we did with Velamed on clinical gait analysis. Clinical Gait is a tool that's been used for many years to evaluate the rehabilitation progress after hip and knee surgery, or for cerebral palsy or Parkinson's disease patients. The advantage of Captury Live for clinical gait is that it's very quick. You can get a full gait report after less than a minute of the patient entering the room. Okay, for more information on Captury Live and our other products, have a look at our website. You may also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Subscribe and like. Stay tuned and bye-bye.